Hi Buffett, we back with another video. Buffett, Wendy Dondolo has written an article here regarding the spreading of the news of illegal immigration. The article says fake migration claims risk fueling fear and divisions, warns government. The government that does not do anything, that is is a bystander. The Government Communication and Information Systems (GCIS) has warned South Africans against relying on or sharing unverified information related to migration, saying the spread of false and misleading content poses a growing threat to social cohesion, public trust, and informed public discourse. The only thing that causes all these things that they are saying is their incompetence. If they were competent, we wouldn't be here. The government said misinformation, disinformation, and malinformation continue to fuel confusion and fear and division within communities, particularly on social media platforms, messaging applications, and unofficial websites. The warning comes amid heightened public debate around migration, border management, and law enforcement, with government stressing that migration in South Africa is managed through established laws, policies, and institutions while balancing national interests, human rights, and public safety and regional commitments. Baba, it seems like you're living under the rock. In this chaos, do you see the chaos that is in South Africa, especially in poor communities, in Joburg CBD? Man, guys are just not serious, man. And you like to take out these statements in that are baseless. Government caution public interest against trusting and sharing unverified content relating to migration and misinformation, disinformation and malinformation continue to pose a growing challenge to social cohesion and informed public discourse. The government said. The government described misinformation as false or inaccurate information shared without the intention to deceive, while disinformation refers to the deliberate creation and spread of false information intended to mislead or manipulate the public. Malinformation, it is said, it involves genuine information that has been taken out of context, altered, or selectively presented to cause harm. Oh, my God. According to GCIS, the rapid spread of unverified information has become increasingly concerning during periods of heightened public interest, particularly when accompanied by manipulated images, edited videos, deepfakes, and emotional charge content. False claims relating to migrants, border management, deportations, documentation, processed access to public services, or law enforcement operation have the potential to inflame tensions, undermine confidence in public institutions, and create unnecessary panic, government said. But if you guys took the lead as the government, I'm telling you, if you guys took the lead, a lot of these problems would be solved. We wouldn't be worried about fake information. The government noted that rumors, anonymous voice notes, screenshots without context, and unverified social information posts should not be treated as reliable source of information, especially in this social media age. Come on now, it's easy to Nama can spread false news now, and some people will believe it. So now, you need as a government, you need to be a real leader. That's why in China and some European countries are monetizing everything that citizens are doing. No one is in the country that the government cannot account for. Here we probably have 50 million people or more than 20 million people that the government cannot account for. We're in trouble. Yeah. Government urged citizens and migrants living in South Africa to verify information before sharing migration-related content, and encouraged the public to rely on incredible news organization, official government communication channels, and trusted fact-checking and platforms like SABC, ETV. But also these news agencies can be bought. They can be bought also. But at least we need to trust them because they've been doing this for years. Unlike we find pages that pop up on Facebook and then you believe them. None, come on. People need to be critical sometimes. Government recognizes misinformation, disinformation, malinformation as a serious threat to social cohesion, public trust, and nation building, and it remains committed to ensuring that the public has access to accurate, credible, and verified information, the government said. It further called on all people living in South Africa to communicate responsibly and contribute to a society informed by facts rather than falsehood. Every person within the board of South Africa has a responsibility to communicate honesty, responsible, and respectfully, and to contribute to a society informed by facts rather than falsehoods, government said. I do agree with the whole statement, but with the government that's serious. But people will do what the people are doing because it will benefit them. And special no, some social media, YouTube doesn't check the information in order to monetize your channel. They don't check whether you're giving false information or true information. As long as you are popular, and most people are doing clickbait. Even on Facebook, you can clearly see that some things this doesn't make sense. But some people don't have that capacity to differentiate between false information and fake news and real news. So as the government, you need to take a leadership role. It's now or never, ANC. Anyway, guys, please subscribe. Please like my feed. See you next week.